Well, we are in our town, Watseka, today, and one of the hallmarks of this town is a bank that has been here a good long time, some 111 years. The bank president, Carrie Bell, hasn't been here quite that long, have you, Carrie?
Not quite. Some may think I've been here too long, but no, not quite.
I can't imagine that to be true.
No.
Talk about, you've been in the banking industry a long time, but this is home for you.
Yes, I was able to come home 16 years ago to my hometown, Watseka, that I grew up in, and it's been very rewarding, and I really enjoy it.
What's it been like in the banking industry during COVID?
Well, it's certainly been very challenging, but I tell you what, our bank staff and our customers really met those challenges. You remember there was some mandatory lockdowns, but we were able to provide every banking service during those times. Since then, we've been able to reopen our lobbies. We have a few precautions for the COVID yet, but it was difficult, but we met those challenges. And one of the things we did was we participated in the CARES Act Paycheck Protection Program. We loaned millions of dollars to small businesses to allow them to continue to provide payments and payroll to their employees.
Obviously, the economy has been ravaged by COVID. What kind of effects are you seeing now, economically speaking?
Well, challenges create opportunities, and we prefer to focus on the opportunities it has brought, like loan rates. The Federal Reserve immediately dropped loan rates, or interest rates, to near 0%, and they're still there. We don't know how long they're going to remain there, but it is an opportunity for people to lock in some low rates. And if somebody maybe bought their home just a year or two ago, they should be looking at interest rates today about maybe refinancing and saving money on interest. And of course, if they're wanting to buy something, a big item, these low rates right now are the best they've ever been.
When you think of local banks, you think of these as being specialty items, these types of loans. Is that true for you guys?
They are. You know, we're a full-service, independent community bank, loaning money for every purpose since 1909. We take great pride in the relationships that we've developed with people and businesses and farms. And I guess if we would say what one specialty we have, it would be farming. We are an ag bank. We hire agricultural specialists that are the best in their business. They know farming, they know crop insurance, they know everything about agriculture, and they're here to be able to talk with those types of businesses.
Now, this time of year, you know, farming is front and center as the harvest starts to roll in. Is there anything special that you guys do this time of year for those clients?
Well, let's go back to the record low interest rates. Right now, we're currently offering farmland and commercial real estate loan rates at 3.9% fixed for 10 years. And we have millions of dollars still available in that program. So farmers or landowners or even other business owners can be locking in that rate. And I would think many people maybe are paying a higher rate than that now, so they should be looking at that. And a quick phone call to us, we could talk what it would take to get that started. And there's really no downside to that. You know, locking in low rates, I mean, you're going to save money. And today, with profit margins being as squeezed as they are, you know, being able to save on an interest cost, it would be very advantageous. And choosing us as their financial partner, I guarantee they would enjoy it.
I may have gotten so excited talking about how long the bank had been here when I started, I didn't say First Trust and Savings Bank in Watseka. So if I missed that, I apologize. But that's where we are. And do you have other locations? Is this the only location? How does that work for you guys?
No, we do have one other location, full-service banking center in Clifton, Illinois. So even though we don't have a lot of branches spread out amongst the communities, we can serve the entire WCI viewing area because we have loan officers that are on the road that go out to meet people, and they'll be glad to set up meetings. We also have a full-service trust department, and not all banks have that type of a service. Besides farm management services in that trust department, we take care of estates and trusts. And if you need something like that, talk with your attorney and have them consider the First Trust and Savings Bank, and we can set up some services there for you with those types of products.
Fantastic. Anything else you have for us before we wrap up?
Well, let me say that what we always say to our friends and neighbors, and that's thank you. Thank you for allowing us the opportunity. It's been a privilege to serve this community for 111 years and the relationships that we built. We couldn't have done it without the customers that we have, and for them for placing their trust in us. You can find us on the web, ftsbank.com. We also have a Facebook page. But if you haven't yet given us that opportunity, you can call us, 815-432-2494, and you'll hear a real, live person answering the phone.
Right.
Happy to answer any questions you might have.
And we will point you that direction on our website as well, which is ciliving.tv. Nobody knows banking better than this guy and First Trust and Savings. They're putting their trust in you in more ways than one, right?
They certainly are. They certainly are. And can I add one final point?
Sure.
Yes. You might have noticed today we're wearing yellow ribbon. This month is Childhood Cancer Awareness Month, and we have a family member in our bank that lost a child to that dreadful disease just a year ago, so we're supporting those efforts this month.
I like how it matches the tie, too.
Yeah.
Well played.
Yes. Thank you.
ciliving.tv is where you go for all the details.